If you're getting Photoshop error 72 or sometimes error code 42 while installing or updating Adobe Creative Cloud, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the safest and most effective fixes step by step. This error usually shows up when the installer gets blocked, corrupted, or interrupted by permissions, cache issues, security software, or leftover Adobe files. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling your whole system. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is run the Creative Cloud installer as an administrator. On Windows, fully close Creative Cloud first so nothing is running in the background. Then right-click the Creative Cloud Desktop App Installer, or the shortcut you use to launch it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the elevated permissions it needs to unpack files and complete the setup properly. If your account restrictions were causing the problem, this alone may fix the error right away. After that, try updating or downloading Photoshop again and check whether the installation continues normally. If the error still appears, the next step is to restart the Creative Cloud Desktop app using the built-in refresh shortcut. Sometimes the app gets stuck in a broken download loop or a corrupted cache state, and the easiest way to clear that is with a hard reset. On Windows, bring the Creative Cloud Desktop app to the foreground and press Ctrl, Alt, and R at the same time. This will reset and relaunch the Desktop Manager interface without removing your installed Adobe apps. Once it reopens, sign back in if needed, then try the Photoshop update or installation again. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to do is purge corrupted temporary installer files. A partial download sitting in your temp folder can repeatedly trigger error 72 because Adobe keeps trying to process broken data. Before clearing anything, close all Adobe background processes completely. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. On Mac, open Activity Monitor. Then force quit anything related to Adobe, Creative Cloud, or CoreSync. Once those processes are fully closed, you can clear temporary Adobe installer data from your system's temporary directories. This helps remove corrupted files that may be blocking the install. Now let's move to another very common cause, your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes third-party security tools are overly aggressive and mistakenly block Adobe's encrypted download files. When that happens, the installer gets interrupted and Photoshop error 72 appears. To test this, temporarily turn off any third-party firewall or antivirus software you have installed. Be careful to only disable it long enough to retry the installation, and turn your protection back on immediately after the install finishes. Then try downloading or installing Photoshop again and see if the process completes without errors. If the issue still continues, the most reliable advanced fix is to run the official Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is especially useful if you have a damaged network host file, a broken registry entry, or leftover corrupted files from a previous installation. First, download the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool directly from Adobe's official help site. Then launch it as an administrator so it has permission to remove the damaged components properly. Use the tool to cleanly uninstall the Creative Cloud Desktop app and any broken Adobe installation data it finds. After that, restart your computer, reinstall Creative Cloud, and then try installing Photoshop again. Most of the time, one of these steps will clear Photoshop error 72 and get your Adobe installer working again. Start with the administrator launch, then reset Creative Cloud, remove temporary files, check your security software, and finally use the cleaner tool if needed. Work through them one by one and test after each step so you know exactly which fix solved the issue. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want a follow-up guide for other Photoshop or Creative Cloud errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.